subscribe to Android Discovery channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Has announced its latest addition to the X1 series of HD Android smart TVs. Infinix X1 40-inch Full HD Android Smart TV priced at Rs. 19,999, $269. Smart TV will be available to the Indian market from August 6 via Flipkart. Infinix X1 Android Smart TV is a smaller but more immersive version of the previous HD and Full HD models in the X1 series. These models include the 32-inch HD model, and the 43-inch Full HD Android Smart TV debuted in India last December. The new 40-inch FHD Android Smart TV offers vivid picture quality, a high screen-to-body ratio, and the Infinix Epic 2.0 picture engine for overall picture enhancement. New Android Smart TV features HDR10 functionality, and this is seen in the crisp and bright pictures at the highest nit level. The Smart TV offers a blue light reduction for a more humane viewing experience on the eyes. Infinix's eye care technology guarantees eye safety while using the TV. Rich surround sound is gotten via the 24-watt speakers with Dolby Audio active. As per other specifications, the Infinix X1 Full HD Android Smart TV has a quad-core MediaTek 6683 processor with Mali 470 MP3 GPU and offers 1GB/8 GB of RAM and internal memory, respectively. The latest Infinix X1 Smart TV runs on Android version 9.0, with built-in applications like Chromecast, Google Assistant, and a wide array of apps that can be downloaded from the Google Play Store. There are also Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity support, as well as a Bluetooth remote. The TV has 3 HDMI ports, USB 2.0, 2 ports, Ethernet, Mini Avenue, optical out port, and Avenue port, thus offering various input options. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.